like so many around the country and really around the world, people are looking at their homes to become their little sanctuary, their oasis. And not everybody is looking for a sports area or a synthetic turf area. What they want is a patio. I mean, in fact, I have a friend of mine who just did a massive patio job around his pool because they're trying to spend the money that they were going to spend on vacation or on a cruise, and they're dumping it into their house. And so they wanted to have a way to create pavers, and we were able to help them with that. So how does UltraBase do that? We are providing a panel system, an interlocking structural, that's the word, structural base system that allows for the installation of pavers without the need for all this massive excavation of earth and then this perfect grading of the ground. Our system is really the icing on the cake. We are allowing pavers to be built on top of a flat planar surface that has the ability to take enormous loads and make installations easier than ever. And what does that do for you? And so many times I've seen pavers, and you probably have seen them yourselves, that you go through a paver job and a paver's popped here and one's over there. Well, by interlocking our panels together, that can happen because you create this unified structure. But most importantly, it's a system that you, as a homeowner, can do yourself. So if you want to get really ambitious, like a friend of mine, I'm going to show you some photographs of a 70-year-old gentleman building his own driveway they can park his trucks on, go for it. But most folks like yourself are looking for, I want an area under my shed. I want a little area to barbecue on. I want an area for my trash cans. I want an area to set up the lawn chairs. We can make this easier than ever without the need of bringing heavy equipment, strangers into your house. This is something you can do. We can show you how. We can show you examples of it. So check us out on UltraBaseSystems.com. Look to see what we're doing with pavers. Look to see how we're also taking the same panel and filling it with gravel. If you want a nice gravel walkway or a place to park your boat, that's a lot less expensive than putting down pavers. Let us show you how we're doing it. Let us show you why it works. And we're going to really teach you a great method of creating this hardscape area in your own backyard.